Hello everybody! Today I have Octember fails number 7 and 8. The story behind this goes like this. This is the one I had. It stopped running. So I thought I'll go in the Walmart and find another one. So that's the second one I found. Well, it wasn't 2 weeks later, this one stopped running. So I thought, since these are now around $10 for these $4 or $5 watches, when I first started wearing them in about 2005, it's worth buying the batteries to replace them now. This is the SR626SW battery that this watch takes. So I've already repaired this one because I needed a watch and I hadn't had time to record this video. So now I am going to repair the second one. I should have known this would be an issue of it not working very long, because that might be a date code of September of 2021 maybe. So it's not got a fresh battery in it by any means. And I never did see, that's how little I wore this. The protective cover didn't even come off. I've got my little screwdriver. And I'm going to put this glove on in case I slip. So right here it's got a mark where to pry. This is a cheap watch. I don't care if I scratch it. I just want it to work. Might need a smaller screwdriver. Got to get the right tool to do the job. And indeed, that is an SR626SW. So I'll pop that out. That's done. I will extract a replacement battery. Take the glove off now. New battery installed. That will need to correspond. Or did I just crack that? That's weird. There's actually some corrosion in there. That's how cheap these are getting. Don't know where that came from, but whatever. I'm just going to pop the back on. The gasket was intact. Still leaked, but it was intact. And it's ticking away. Also didn't remove the protective cover from the quote-unquote crystal. I like this version better because it's easier to read at a glance, but this was all they had on the shelf, so it's kind of to the point where you just have to take what you can get. And that is set. So here's my two cheap watches from Walmart, both working once again. So once again, this is Octember fail number 7 and Octember fail number 8. Both are repaired. Thank you for watching.